to establishing network in a smaller geographical area. Now, if you wish to establish a network in city, then you can use a WAN that can be used to setting up a network to cover whole area of particular city. Now, if you wish to cover across the globe or particular country, then WAN is the example to cover all area through the different medium. Now, here the major type nowadays used to establish a network, that is, one is LAN and another is the WAN. Now, why WAN? The example of internet is the example of WAN. But here, what is the LAN? Then if you wish to use a network in smaller area, in smaller distance, like 100 meter, 500 meters, then you may use LAN, like a room, like a floor. Now, if you wish to establish a network to give the with limited number of computer, limited distance, then you may use LAN to establishing network. Now, another, that is, if you use different kind of technology, throughput, that is a printer, that is you can use to wireless medium to sharing information on LAN base, then you may use local area network to establishing that network. Now, if you wish to serve specific department, then within an organization, then you may use LAN network to establishing that network. Here, this one is an example. Here is the example, computer lab in college, that is example of LAN. Computer inside college library are the example of LAN. Now, what is WAN? That is, your WAN, that is a network of bisect, are the example of WAN. Here WAN, that may be combination of different transmission media, where WAN are the network of different LAN. Now, WAN is the network of different transmission media, different wireless network can be connected in the group of WAN. Like here town, state, country can be covered under the WAN type of network. So, here WAN is nothing but, that is a different number of LAN group can be connected under the heading of WAN. Now, this one is the example. Here college building, bisect campus, here different computer lab can be connected together using a WAN network. Now, which type of hardware component is required to establishing a network? The first required in any component, in any client, any server, that is of NIC, that is of network interface card. Now, this NIC allow to transfer our information in the specific format to the another client. They may put that information on particular transmission media. Now, here another component required, that is of switch and hub, which transfer our information directly to the specific client. So, here whatever data package has been generated, that may be put on specific port on particular hub. Now, hub or switch can be having either different number of connection, either 8, either 24, either 16, either 48. That means if we say our port is 16 port, that means 16 PC can be connected on using single hub or switch. Now, another component can be used, that is of hardware, that is of bridge, which allow to connect different number of multiple network, like we using window network, but another group of user can be used Linux network. So here these bridges allow to connect different number of multiple networks to connect together on depend on OSI model. Now another component required, that is of router. Here router, that is interconnecting, internetworking of different devices with different OS type of network that can be forward our information in the format of packet within that network for processing that information. So here we required NIC, we required hub or switch, we required bridge, we required router to as a component of network. Now here are the few transmission example. Now first image will show that this one is the Cat5 cable with 8 different number of cable code. Now another example, that is of RJ45, which allow to connect your cable with the NIC through your computer. Now to create a cable, we need RJ45 and Cat5 cable that can be connected through the crimping tool. The right side images are the example of crimping tool. Now see the below image, which where the hub have connected with the RJ45 connected with the particular cable. The same connection can be established at the client side with the NIC. So here we record different number of objects, different number of connection component to connect to establish a LAN network. Now another, while we building a LAN, then RJ45 having specific color combination establishing under a RJ45 connection of Cat5 cable. Now this one is the example. Now see, Cat5 cable having different color code, white, green, white, blue, white, saffron and white, gray. Then here we are going to establish a LAN. Then right side image has the combination required between RJ45 connection, that is combination of white and green, green, white and orange. These are the combination required to establishing a LAN network while we using peer-to-peer or client-based network. Now what are the scope? Here the biggest scope of computer network, that is example of internet. Now another scope of computer network that can be classified as different sections. That may be of either you may use business application, either you may use home application, either you may use mobile. If you are mobile user, then your computer network can be or different category. Now here computer network can be established for sharing a different issue related to social. Now what is business application? To sharing different resources in a particular organization, while there is no geographical limitation required. Here business application can allow to establishing such network. Here remote access, one can sit at their home and work by connecting with organization application, that is of remote access. Now computer assisted communication can be possible, like we do the call to the customer care where they provide such information. Here they provide few options, and depend on that option we can access information from that server, that is of business application. Now, like you see this screen at your hand, that means to share virtual blackboard at your own. So business application allow to establishing this network to do the reporting, and e-commerce, that is of electronic commerce, eBay, HomeShop are the example of eBay side, that is of business application. Now another scope, that is of home application. To access any information in your home, to establishing, that is of home application. Now that may be allow peer to peer, person to person communication, like we can put email to another person, we can do the chat, we can pass our some information like image, video to our family member. That is are the use of home application of computer network. Now another, that is of interactive entertainment. We can do the live chatting with another person using Skype. We can do the live chatting using Yahoo Messenger, are the interactive entertainment example. Now another example, that is of electronic communication. We can purchase any item using a home application by sitting at the home. We can purchase any item from eBay, from HomeShop 18. That is example of electronics communication of home application use. Now if you are a home user, then you can access different number of services on your mobile, that is to mobile banking, that is of different number of services can be supported by the telephone company, are the example of m-commerce. Now another scope, that is discussing a social or political issue with the country people, that is of social issue, that is one of the biggest issue for a computer network. So here there are different number of scope can be allowed by the computer network to sharing information, to sharing a issue or problem, to purchasing anything, that is of home application, business, mobile issue, and that is of social issue. So these are the home application and home business application, and are allowed to access information from the another person. Now here while we dealing with our information, then here all network can be follow certain rules. Earlier we said that protocols, we say the transmission media, we say that packet that can be transferred. So here OSI model, that is known as open system interconnection. Now here this OSI model allows you to transmit your information by follow the certain rules. Now this OSI model having different 7 layers. Now that is starting from the one. If any information received from the another client, that is received firstly at physical layer. Now physical layer means what? That is of transmission media. Now in transmission media, that may be of different type of cable, Cat5 cable, fiber cable. So your information can be received at the physical layer. Now physical layer can transfer that information to the DLL, that is our data link layer, then after network layer, and then after that information can be displayed among us in application layer, like our browser will display all the content of information received from the other end, that is of this one is the layer. Now while we write email for another person, that may be written in the application layer, that may be create a particular datagram, particular packet, and all put on the physical layer. Your physical layer transfer all information to the another client using transmission media. So, here this network allow. So last here what is the network, why network, then after here which type of devices can be integrated together to make a network, then after what are the you need to follow certain rules to transfer information over the network, that is of protocols. Here protocols, what protocol do, here these are the slide. Now here different kind of network, that is depend on network category, topology, here transmission media, then after network size, depend on all category, depend on all kinds, our network can going to be built. So here network can be of either peer to peer or either client server. Here peer to peer may be the part of the client server. Now then after we seen what are the advantages and disadvantages of peer to peer, where peer to peer network can be used for the establishment purpose. Now then after client server, then after here these are the advantages and disadvantages for while we going to be used client server network. Here few topologies can be used to make a layout of our network to make a. Now here there are few transmission media, guided and unguided. Here this transmission media allow us to transfer our information through the physical layer, that is of UTP Cat3, Cat4, Cat5. Now then after coaxial cable, fiber cable, and unguided transmission